What's going on, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make from the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and this week it is Halloween. And for anyone who knows me, Halloween is by far my favorite holiday of the year. Hood from Target, tail from Shein.
Top from Shein, bottom Fashion Nova, bag Shein, shoes Shein.
Top from Shein, bottom Fashion Nova, bag Shein, and shoes Shein. Is she ghetto or British? I can't really.
So why not celebrate the holiday with a Halloween-themed drink? So for today, we'll be going over the Jack-o'-lantern cocktail. Now, the Jack-o'-lantern cocktail isn't some, classic cocktail with decades or centuries of history and origin or none of that stuff. But I will give the maker of it his credit. It was created by Colleen Graham from the Spruce Eats website. Colleen is a seasoned mixologist as well as a cocktail book writer. So let's get down to actually making a drink. So first we're gonna start off by pouring 1.5 ounces of cognac. I didn't have cognac, I only have brandy, but cognac is just brandy that is actually from Cognac, France. So cognac is still brandy, so it'll be fine if you only have brandy. Next, we're gonna pour 1/2 ounce of Brandy-based orange liqueur. So I actually have Harley Quinn, which is what I actually normally use anyway, which is indeed a cognac and brandy-based orange liqueur. Then we'll do 1 ounce of orange juice. And I barely just had enough left. And then you're gonna add ice to your shaker, shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then strain into your rocks glass. Oh, and you want to add fresh ice to your rocks glass first. I meant to do that. After that, you're going to top your rocks glass with 2 to 3 ounces of ginger ale. And actually, I already have my ice right at the top here, so it doesn't give a lot of room for our garnish that we're about to do. So I'm gonna try transferring that into this larger rocks glass that I have. And that should give us a little more room to work with now. Next, for the garnish, we're going to make a lime twist by doing a lime peel and then twisting it, and then pushing that through an orange wheel. Oh, you're not coming off like I want you to. It's not peeling like I wanted to. Okay, let me try using a knife instead of my peeler. I promise you guys, we're gonna get through this. I assure you. Okay. Now we're just gonna try to take this peel and wrap it around this pick to form the twist. And let's go ahead and make our orange wheel here. And let's see if we did this right. Okay, we push the lime twist through the orange wheel and then we'll just place it on top. And there you have the Jack-o'-lantern cocktail. All right, now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Okay, very orangey, as I was expecting. Not bad, not bad. The orange can be a little overwhelming, I would say. I think the article that I went off of also did say if you're using like store-bought orange juice instead of fresh squeezed orange juice, that you can also tone it down to like 1/2 ounce, maybe 3/4 ounce. So maybe I might try that next time. Still, like I said, not bad at all. It's easy to drink, like I said, it's just not as well balanced as I would normally like it to be. But look-wise though, I mean, you definitely have, that jack-o'-lantern look with the lime twist coming out as if it's the stem of a pumpkin. And then, the orange is there to resemble a pumpkin as well. So a fun drink to look at for sure. And I mean, it's fun to drink as well. Like, it's not harsh at all. So, it's definitely doable. And oddly enough, I'm getting like slight hints of vanilla as well, which I don't know where it comes from because there's not an ounce of vanilla in this recipe, but I guess it's just how the ingredients and the different flavor profiles come together. But I'm not mad at it because I like vanilla, so that's perfectly fine by me. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's episode. I hope you guys had some amazing, amazing costumes for this year, and I'll see you next week for the next round. Peace.